Number 5, 4 gentlemen have gone in front of you. You have to be better than they were. Are you ready? He's ready. Out kids. Number 5. Give him a big hand. Good job. All right, number 6. Are you ready? Keep your eye on the judges. Those are the ladies you have to impress to win. Are you ready? Auf geht's. You know, Schuhplattler is a courting dance. There you go. Give him a big hand. Number 7. Now he's a real cowboy. He's got his boots on. But they don't look like they're from Idaho. That's where I used to live. Let's see what you can do. Number 6. 7. Number 7. Keep your eye on the judges. Auf geht's.